Ever put your phone away and then a notification rings and you have to check it, which hooks you to the screen again? Yeah, same. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Smartphones like the Pixel 10 Pro are more designed to keep users coming back. One buzz, one ping, one urgent alert, and suddenly 20 minutes are gone scrolling through X, Instagram, or Reddit. Social media apps know exactly what they're doing. The more time spent inside their platforms, the better it is for them. But Android has a quiet weapon that can fight back, and that's called modes. Android 15 brought a feature that lets users decide exactly who and what is allowed to interrupt them. No more random alerts dragging you into endless scrolling sessions. If the notification never appears, the temptation to open the app drops dramatically. Instead of relying on basic do not disturb modes we'll let you customize, users can create a work mode, workout mode, or anything they like. Set a schedule so it turns on automatically during office hours. Allow only essential apps like Gmail, Slack, or Asana to send alerts. Limit notifications to close family members and silence everything else. When turned on, the screen doesn't light up for blocked alerts. Notification icons can disappear. Wallpapers can dim. Dark mode can activate automatically. The phone literally looks different when focus time begins, giving you fewer interruptions, less scrolling, and more control. Notifications are the real drug of screen addiction. Remove the trigger and usage naturally drops. Instead of quitting social media entirely, which rarely sticks and really sucks, smart notifications control makes cutting back realistic and sustainable. For anyone serious about reducing screen time in 2026, the solution may already be sitting in settings. The phone isn't going anywhere, but the distractions don't have to stay. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.